Did you know there are 5 hidden spots on your body that most people forget to clean, causing that unpleasant senior odor no one talks about? It's not about hygiene, it's about where you're cleaning. These spots are easy to miss, but once you know them, you'll wonder how you ever overlooked them. Stay tuned, because number 4 is something you use every day. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more simple, life-changing wellness tips that help you stay fresh, confident, and healthy at any age. Let's uncover these secrets, starting now. Lesson 1. Behind the ears, the forgotten fold. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an odd, musty smell, no matter how clean they are? It might surprise you, but one of the most overlooked places on the body is right behind the ears. Yes, that small area we barely think about can actually be a major cause of body odor, especially as we age. As we grow older, our skin naturally changes. The oil glands behind our ears can become more active, producing more sebum, a natural oil that can trap dirt, sweat, and even dead skin cells. When these build up, they create the perfect environment for bacteria to grow. And that's where the smell comes from. The truth is, most people don't even realize that behind the ear buildup can be a real issue. The good news? It's very easy to fix once you know about it. All it takes is a little extra care during your daily routine. While washing your face or taking a shower, take a moment to gently clean behind your ears with warm water and a mild soap. Use your fingertips or a soft washcloth to gently scrub the area. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a world of difference in how fresh you feel. And don't forget to dry behind your ears properly afterward. Moisture that stays trapped behind the ears can also lead to that musty smell we're trying to avoid. So take a soft towel and gently pat the area dry. Many people are surprised at how much better they feel and smell after adding this one simple step to their hygiene routine. It's a small change, but it's a powerful one. Keeping this forgotten spot clean is not just about looking good or smelling nice, it's about self-care, confidence, and respecting your body as it changes with time. So next time you freshen up, remember to give a little love to the area behind your ears. Your future self and those around you will thank you if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and uplifting health tips. Lesson 2. Inside the navel, a tiny trap for bacteria. Let's talk about a spot that hardly ever gets any attention, your belly button. Yes, that small dip in your stomach that we often forget about. But did you know your navel can actually trap a surprising amount of dirt, sweat, and even bacteria? And if it's not cleaned properly, it can slowly lead to an unpleasant odor. Most people shower every day, wash their hair, brush their teeth, but skip cleaning their belly button. Why? Simply because it's small, easy to forget, and doesn't seem important. But in reality, the belly button is a warm, slightly moist space, perfect for bacteria and yeast to grow, especially in older adults where skin folds and changes in body shape are more common. And the smell? It doesn't happen overnight. Over time, dead skin, sweat, oils, and even lint from your clothes can build up inside the navel. It creates a sticky little trap. Eventually, that buildup starts to break down and cause a strong, unpleasant odor, often without you even realizing it. But here's the good news: just like behind the ears, this is very easy to fix. All you need is a cotton swab, some warm water, or a gentle cleanser. Once or twice a week, take a few seconds to gently clean the inside of your belly button. Be soft, don't poke too deep or use harsh soap. After cleaning, make sure to dry it well with a towel or tissue. A dry navel is a happy navel. This small act of care goes a long way in preventing odor and keeping your body fresh. It's not about being perfect, it's about being aware of the small things that make a big difference in how you feel every day. So next time you're getting ready, take a moment to check your belly button. A clean navel is a sign that you're truly taking care of yourself, right down to the smallest details. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, everyday health advice. Lesson 3. Under the toenails, a sneaky source of smell. When we think of body odor, we usually blame sweat or underarms. But there's another sneaky place that's often ignored, right under your toenails. Yes, those small spaces under your nails can quietly trap dirt, dead skin, and moisture, becoming a hidden source of unpleasant smells. As we age, our feet change. Skin may become drier, nails may grow thicker, and sometimes it gets harder to bend down or pay close attention to our toes. That's perfectly normal. But because of this, the area under the toenails often gets overlooked. And when dirt, sweat, and bacteria stay trapped there, it creates the perfect condition for odor and sometimes even infection. Think about it. We wear socks and shoes for hours every day. Our feet sweat. That moisture, mixed with warm surroundings and closed shoes, creates a cozy home for bacteria. If the area under your toenails isn't cleaned regularly, the smell will eventually catch up with you even if the rest of your body is spotless. But don't worry. Keeping your toenails clean doesn't have to be complicated. After a shower, while your feet are still soft, gently use a nail brush or a small tool to clean under the nails. You don't need to dig, just a light brushing is enough to remove buildup. Make sure your toenails are trimmed neatly, and most importantly, keep them dry. Dryness is the key. Moisture allows bacteria and fungus to grow. So after washing, take a clean towel and dry between your toes and under the nails. You can even sprinkle a little foot powder to help absorb any remaining moisture. Taking care of your feet may seem like a small thing, but it's not. Clean, fresh feet make you feel better, walk better, and boost your confidence. Plus, you'll avoid the discomfort and embarrassment of foot odor, so give your toes the attention they deserve. It only takes a minute, but the benefits last all day. Like what you're learning? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple self-care tips that make a real difference in your life. Lesson 4. Under skin folds, the hidden hotspots. Here's a secret many people don't talk about: odor can hide in the folds of your skin. These hidden spots can collect moisture, sweat, and bacteria, which over time may lead to unwanted smells. It's not about being dirty. It's just something that happens naturally, especially as we get older and our bodies change. Areas like under the breasts, around the stomach, between the thighs, or even under the arms can develop small folds in the skin. These folds are warm and often stay damp after bathing, especially in humid weather. That warm, moist space becomes the perfect place for bacteria and yeast to grow, causing irritation, rashes, and yes, unpleasant smells. The good news? With a few small steps, you can keep these areas fresh and healthy. Start by giving these folds a little extra care during your bath or shower. Use a soft cloth and a gentle soap to clean them. Be sure to rinse thoroughly. Leftover soap can sometimes irritate the skin. Once you're done, the next step is very important: drying. Take your time and gently pat these areas dry with a clean towel. Don't rub, just press and dry. To go one step further, you can use a talc-free body powder or even a moisture-wicking cloth or pad. These help absorb excess moisture and keep the area cool and dry throughout the day. If you're someone who sweats a lot, breathable cotton clothing can also make a big difference. Caring for skin folds isn't just about smell, it's about comfort, confidence, and preventing irritation. When you feel clean and fresh, it shows in the way you move, speak, and smile. So if you've ever noticed a little discomfort or odor and couldn't figure out where it was coming from, check those hidden folds. A few extra seconds of care can make your whole day feel better. If this tip was helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more easy, everyday advice that helps you feel great in your own skin. Lesson 5. Back of the neck collar area. Odor lingers here. Here's a spot most people never think about: the back of the neck and the collar area. It may sound surprising, but this area can hold on to sweat, oil, and odor more than you'd expect. And because we don't often pay attention to it, the smell can slowly build up over time without us realizing it. Think about it. The back of your neck is where your shirt collar rests all day. It rubs against your skin, collects sweat, and absorbs natural oils. Add to that the heat, dust. Conclusion. If you found even one of these tips helpful, why not take a moment to let us know? Which hidden spot surprised you the most? Or do you have your own secret hygiene tip that others could benefit from? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create more content that truly matters to you. If this video helped you feel more confident and cared for, please like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to us, and it keeps this helpful content coming your way. Let's keep learning and growing together.